Welcome to Zukkun Knows. Can you imagine a time when people believed the entire universe revolved around Earth? Well, that was the official belief for over 1,000 years. But when brave thinkers started saying, actually, Earth moves, things got dangerous. Let's explore the battle between geocentrism and heliocentrism, and the people who risked everything for the truth. 1. What is geocentrism? Geocentrism is the belief that Earth is the center of the universe. Everything, the sun, moon, planets, and stars, was thought to orbit around us. This idea came from ancient Greek thinkers like Ptolemy and was adopted by the Catholic Church. 2. What is heliocentrism? Heliocentrism is the idea that the sun, not Earth, is at the center of the solar system. This model was first seriously proposed by Nicholas Copernicus in the 1500s. It made more mathematical sense, but it clashed with centuries of belief and religious teachings. 3. Why was geocentrism so popular? It made sense to people back then. The Earth didn't feel like it was moving, and religious texts often described the heavens as revolving around Earth. So questioning it wasn't just a scientific problem, it was a religious and political one. Enter Copernicus. In 1543, Copernicus published his heliocentric theory On the Revolutions of the Celestial Spheres. But he was cautious. He waited until he was near death to publish it because he knew it would cause controversy. 5. Galileo's evidence and his trial. Decades later, Galileo Galilei used a telescope to observe the moons of Jupiter and the phases of Venus. These observations supported heliocentrism. But when Galileo publicly defended this model, he was accused of heresy. In 1633, he was put on trial by the Inquisition and forced to recant. 6. And yet it moves. Legend says that after Galileo recanted, he muttered, "Eppur si muove," and yet it moves. Whether he actually said it or not, the quote became a symbol of resistance to authority and the pursuit of truth. 7. Was Galileo executed? Contrary to popular belief, Galileo was not executed, but he was found vehemently suspect of heresy and spent the rest of his life under house arrest. Still, the myth of his execution adds to the drama, and many still believe it today. 8. Others who paid the price. Giordano Bruno went even further. He suggested the universe was infinite, with many worlds like Earth. For this and other heretical ideas, he was burned at the stake in 1600. His fate is often confused with Galileo's, but it was Bruno who truly paid the ultimate price. 9. When did heliocentrism finally win? Over time, more evidence piled up. Kepler's laws, Newton's gravity, and better telescopes all supported the heliocentric model. By the 1700s, most scientists accepted it, but the Church took centuries to fully acknowledge its validity. 10. Why does this matter? Because it shows that truth can be dangerous. Science isn't just about facts, it's about courage. And sometimes the people who change the world are the ones willing to be called heretics. Thanks for watching Zukkun Knows. Subscribe for more stories that challenge what you think you know.